Enjoy the Brazee folding wagon transportation cart that comes in a compact design with a carry-on handle for easy portable. Very compact when folded too, and has a solid removable base for inside the trolley so you can really fill it with all the things you need. Double layer fabric construction for increased weight capacity. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. A heavy-duty collapsible wagon allows you to load items up to 150 pounds. Number 2. Powder-coated steel frame for durability and resistance to rust. Number 3. Waterproof canvas body only using quality Oxford fabric for no fuss cleaning. Number 4. 360-degree swivel front wheels for easy transportation. Number 5. Folds and unfolds quickly and made for easy transport. Number 6. Adjustable handle for effortless transport. Perfect for hauling gear to outdoor sporting events, concerts, trips to the park, and great for use around the house. The height of the handle is about 40.16 inches. Number 7. Functional features. An additional 2 mesh cup holsters in the front keep your beverages safe and sound. Number 8. Lots of room. The wagon folds out to its full size in a matter of seconds with no assembly required. Unfold dimension is 40.16 inches by 21 inches by 40.16 inches. Number 9. Advanced design. The wagon collapsed dimension is only 7.5 inches thick. Folded size approximately 30 inches by 20 inches by 7.5 inches. Number 10. The wagon is perfect for easy transport, setup, and hauling your gear to your favorite event. Number 11. Lighten the load. The heavy-duty frame allows loads up to 150 pounds, and the durable 600D fabric can be easily cleaned. Number 12. All-terrain wheels. Extra-large POO tires can rotate 360 degrees, thus moving more smoothly and suits most road surfaces. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.